Hey, women releases, they gotta be some of the best releases for real, cause colorways, man, they be so on point, honestly. These are nice. Let's take a look at them. That is some good water. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. It is your kid, Nefred. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I really do hope you're having a very blessed. Now in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, I am bringing y'all another sneaker review. And today, it's not just any ordinary sneaker review. I'm bringing y'all an early look at a pair of upcoming sneakers for 2022. Like I stated in my last video, I was gonna go ahead and bring a review out for these as soon as I possibly could, and they did come in. So I've been excited for getting like multiple pairs of the silhouette. I absolutely love it in the highs and in the lows. So today we are gonna be taking a look at the Nike Dunk High in the Court Purple colorway, which is actually exclusively for women's. Now, these actually did not release in the States as of yet, and as we get closer to release date, or when release date goes ahead and actually officially shows itself, I will go ahead and keep you guys up to date with that. However, these actually released outside of the US. That's why I was able to go ahead and get them. But we are going to be taking a look at these, and I am very thrilled because images that I saw over these are really clean, and they actually remind me of two dunks that actually released in the past, and we will talk about it. So without further ado, let's dive into these Nike Dunk High Court Purple. Let's go. First and hold on. First and foremost, before I even go into this review though, I always want to stop the video and let you guys know, I appreciate you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for the love, the support, the engagement, everything you do to me on this channel. It just really allows me to keep pushing and persevering when it comes to bringing reviews for you guys, and I just can't thank you guys enough. I think we're at the point right now, we're getting ready to hit 1,500 subscribers, and I'm blessed for that, and I really want you guys to know I'm seriously thankful and I'm appreciative of you guys. My goal this year, my own personal goal, is 5 to 10K, but even if we don't hit that goal at all, I'm always thankful for the progress that we are making. So thank you very much. Now, if this is your first time, and I mean your first time checking out the channel or one of my videos, go ahead and definitely like and subscribe. That way I can go ahead, anytime I upload a video for you guys, you're the first to be alerted, and you guys can go and check out all the content I have in store for you guys. So definitely go ahead and do that, and I thank you so much. Also, I always like to be color coordinated with the product that I'm reviewing, and I always try to match it with matching headbands. So let me get this matching headband on for you guys. Since the colorway is white and purple, I have a purple headband on. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on, and then we're gonna dive into these Nike Dunk Highs. Let's get it. Alrighty, so now we got our headband on. Let me get that nice and straight right there. Okay, boom. Now we can dive into this review. So let me go ahead and grab my knife right here, and we're gonna start cutting into this box. So like I stated, these actually have not seen a release date as far as the US goes, only a overseas release, and I believe that release was March 12th. So they've been out over there for a little bit, but like I said, for the US there has been no release. So I did have to go out over to the secondary market to actually pick these up, and I went over to GOAT where I got these, and shout out to GOAT because I was able to go ahead and get these for a decent price. I went ahead and I actually inputted an offer, and the seller accepted it. So appreciate you for real. Let me go ahead. Whoa, don't know what that was. Let me go ahead and actually take this out. I got the tissue paper. Let's put that, and there we go. Right here, you got your standard Nike box that comes in the majority of all of your dunks. Now, I know that this is a women's release, so this actually only goes up to, I believe, a size 12 in women's, which I'm able to go ahead, if you do the conversions right, I'm able to go ahead and fit into a 10.5. But other than that, if you're like looking for like 11 or 11.5 in men, you're not gonna be able to find that because this is a women's release. Just keep that in mind. So let me go ahead and actually read you the size description, as you can see. So it does read, we got W Nike Dunk High. It does have a white, purple, white, and it does, in women's this is a size 12, and in men's it is a 10.5. So like I said, I'll go ahead and actually throw up a size conversion if you guys want to go ahead and convert your sizes. And the SKU code does read DD 18691 and 2. And right now I know you can't see it, but the retail price for these is going to be 110. Now there is no suggested MSRP or a retail sticker right here because these actually came overseas. Now I'm pretty sure once they go ahead and they do make a release to the US, then you will probably go ahead and see a suggested retail price sticker right there. So let me go ahead and actually turn the box around for you. And as you can see right there, there is the size description. Like I said as well, nothing crazy with the box. You just have your standard Nike box, white logo, all done in red. Same with that side, same with the other side as well. And without further ado, let's check this out. So let me give you guys a different perspective right here. So let me go ahead and actually pop the lid off, and it's pretty windy, so I hope this wind ain't going crazy today. So let me go ahead and pop it off, and as you can see, you have nothing crazy. You just have your regular tissue paper that comes with all your standard dunks. Ooh, I see the hint of purple. Let me go ahead and pull it back. 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Ooh, oh, you know what these remind me of? These remind me of 2 dunks. Hold on, we're gonna talk about it. So here we go right here. These are the Nike Dunk High in the women's. Ooh, color. I like these right here. These are actually pretty fire. So let me go ahead and actually get the other size for you. Right there, we do got our GOAT verification with the sticker. Let me go ahead and put everything back, and then we will take a closer look to these. Hold on. Alrighty, so here we go right here. These are the 2022 Nike Dunk High in the court purple colorway. These are nice. I do like them. Now, I did go ahead and do a review over on the Nike Dunk Low Court Purple for the lows that came out for this year, and I think the purples actually differ from each other a little bit, but we'll go more into it in a few minutes here. Let's go ahead and actually figure out which one we want to go ahead and review. I think we want to do the left for this review. Let's go ahead and actually put this on the side right there. So starting from the left, as you see, you do get a court purple outsole right there. You have your Nike branding in the middle, and then as you come up, you do have your midsole, which is an all white midsole that does come all the way around the shoe. And then as you go up, you do have your two-tone. You have purple, you have white, and then you do have purple. And then I like the fact how I love how they do the swoosh, how they go ahead and they make it the same as like the side panel as well. So the swoosh, as you can see, it is done in that court purple color, and it goes back, and then you can also goes back where it hits the back of the heel, and you do get a pull tab right there. And then I like how when you look at the front as well, you do get a nice white plush toe box right there. Then you get your purple laces. I guess they decided to go and throw court purple. I think it would look better with the white laces, but that's okay. I kind of feel like these kind of give it a little, the laces kind of make these stand out just a little bit more. Then as you come up to the tongue, you do have an all white tongue with your Nike tag right there, and it also is done in that court purple colorway as well. It looks very clean, very nice. Looking at the insole, you do have a court purple insole in there. I know it's kind of hard to tell because of the camera, but then smack in the middle, you do have the Nike logo right there. Now I like these a lot. These are clean. I do think these are really nice for sure, especially with these being a women's release. These caters to a lot of women's for sure. I think they'll be able to come up with a lot of nice fits and outfits with them. Let me know what your opinions are on them down below. I'm telling you, these remind me of 2 dunks. So 2022, we did go ahead and get, 2020, I always be saying that. We did go ahead, and I believe it was the Nike Dunk High, but it was the varsity purple. And then right here on the outsole, instead of it being just an all solid purple, it's kind of like a translucent type of purple. Let me throw a picture up so you can see that right here. And then if you remember, I know I'm taking it all the way back just a little bit, like 2010, they did come out with a Nike Stay True to Your Street colorway for this as well, and it reminds me of that as well. So it's really cool to see like the similarities that some of the new releases that are coming out and how they kind of like pay tribute. Well, maybe not so much pay tribute, but they kind of remind us of the old releases that they've had in the past before. But now comment down below and let me know what you think about these women Nike Dunk High Court Purple. On feet for sure are going to be done with these. I like them a lot. I think that the purple is subtle. You know what, hold on, let me actually compare these to the Dunk Lows real quick. Hold on. All right, so here are the Nike Dunk Lows that released for this year as well, and then here are the upcoming Nike Dunk Highs. Now I just wanted to actually have a side by side just to compare the color contrast of the purple, and these are for sure a darker purple rather than these. So I just kind of wanted to I was kind of intrigued with that to see if they were kind of similar, but yeah, these for sure are a darker purple than these Dunk Highs right here though. Kind of wish they would have went ahead and threw some white laces like they did on the lows, but that's okay. These are still going to be a nice one to pick up off if you're interested in them. So let me know down below how you feel about these. Honestly, I'm gonna go ahead and pretty soon right here and cut away to an on-feet review, and then I will go ahead and also give you guys a different perspective on these. So let me go ahead and give you a perspective right now, so check them out right here. So what do you think about these Nike Dunk Highs? Are they something that you would pick up? With them being women exclusive, I feel a lot of females are for sure going to go for these. I mean, you know, and there's gonna be like men that are gonna probably try to throw luck for them as well. I mean, look at me, I'm over here for getting ready to rock them. But you know, just cause something is just kind of like, you know, a women's exclusive, or you know, it's just men exclusive, it doesn't mean that you can't go ahead and pick it up. You know, if you like it, hey, if you like it, rock what you like. Honestly, rock what you like. So comment down below and let me know what you think about these Dunk Highs. So ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be the review over the Nike Dunk High in the women's court purple colorway. Comment down below and let me know what you think about these. I absolutely love colors like this because it's just very like, colors like this are very expressive to me, you know, and I'm an expressive individual. So I absolutely really like these. I know it's them being for women. I think they did a great job with them. For sure, I see a whole bunch of females wearing these, a whole bunch of outfits that will be done with them. So if you are gonna be picking these up, let me know. Like I said, there is no release date for these as of right now for the States, but as we get closer and I hear any more, I will keep you guys updated as best as attentive I can. So definitely let me know about that. Also guys, if you haven't already, make sure you do check out the community poll over on the channel. I do try to keep you guys up to date every single day as much as I can with sneaker news, and it allows me to really just be like expressive and actually go ahead and actually, you know, see your guys' point of view when it comes to sneakers. So if you are interested in that, let me know, and that way I can keep tapping in with you guys. So like always, love you guys. Remember, there's only ever gonna be one you. Be the best you. This has been your boy, this has been your kid, Neff Right. This is the Nike Dunk High in the court purple colorway. Let me know how you feel down below, and until next time, I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Gems with the heat.